Hello everyone, welcome to another GS tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to calculate topographic roughness factor from a digital elevation model in ArcGIS Pro. This is very useful analysis in geomorphology, hydrology, and land suitability studies. Let's get started. What is topographic roughness factor? First, let's understand what TRF is. TRF stands for topographic roughness factor. TRF measures how rough or smooth the land surface is. Higher values indicate rugged terrain like hills and valleys, while the lower values represent the flat and smooth areas. In this tutorial, we will calculate normalized topographic roughness, which gives values between 0 and 1, making it very easy to interpret. Please make sure your DEM is in projected coordinate systems for the accurate measurements. The very first step that we have to do, we have to fill the DEM. Just like in values depth analysis, we fill the DEM because if we want to remove the artificial sinks, you have to use the fill DEM. After filling the DEM, we have to do the focal statistics. We have to calculate the focal statistics mean, minimum, and maximum. We have to follow the following parameters. Let's go to the final step, that is a calculation of the TRF. That is a main step. You have to put the formula. Just use the formula focal mean minus focal minimum divided by the focal maximum minus focal minimum. If we analyze the statistics of the TRF raster, you can clearly see our values lie between the 0 and 1. For better visualization of the TRF raster, you have to classify your raster into 5 classes. So here is our final raster. That's it. This was a complete step-by-step tutorial on calculating the TRF from DEM in ArcGIS Pro. If you want to advance relay TRE method, let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. Thank you for watching.